Okay. Welcome to Shability Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Iswamba. Today's video we are going to handle P4 mathematics. Of course, this is a self-study lesson. In our today's topic, we shall be able to continue with our multiplication, but we shall be able to handle a multiplication as a repeated what? A repeated addition. This method can be able to help us and understand when you're given a number, how do you come up with the answer when they say multiply, okay? So this is my telephone number and our email elearning@shareability.net. Okay. In this video, we shall be able to learn multiplication as what? As a repeated addition. So we shall be able to first understand when they talk of addition, repeated addition, what are they meaning and what do they mean? Okay. So we are saying repeated addition is also known as a multiplication. It is also known as what? As multiplication. So this is because both methods, although different, they are both methods, but although different, they give what? The same answer. You can use repeated addition, multiplication as repeated addition. You get the same answer as someone who used, let me say 2 times this, 2 times this, gets the same answer as someone who used a repeated what? Repeated addition. Okay. So for example, if 3 is repeated 4 times, okay, we can either solve it as, imagine if we have 3 repeated 4 times, that means we shall be able to say 4 times 3, okay. But we can also use repeated what? Repeated addition, and we get the same answer as someone who says 4 times 3. Okay, let's have a look at. We have they are saying if 3 is repeated 4 times, we can still have the answer someone who is saying 4 times 3. Okay, let's see. We have a 3. We are going to get a 3 plus a 3 plus a 3 plus a 3. You count how many times? 4 times. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when you add this, you shall be able to have an answer. Okay. Let us add. We have a 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 6, we have a 9. We have also 9 plus 3, we shall be able to get what? 12. Here we have been using addition, okay? And when you say 4 times 3, we shall get 12. This is what they are trying to show you, that you can also use multiplication as a repeated addition to derive the what? The same answer. Okay? So we also have an example here. We have 4 times 2. It simply means we are going to say 4 times 2. We are going to say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus what? Plus 2. Shall be able to get the what? The answer. When you say 4 times 2 without using this repeated addition, we can also get our what? Our 8. More example and more point of understanding. We can also say it is 4 times 2. If we say 4 plus 4, okay, 2 times, okay, how many times? 2 times. This is a 4 1 time, this is a 4 2 what? The second time. We can be able to come up with the what? With the answer, which is 8. So this is a simple answer that you can use to find multiplication. When they say 4 times 2 you say 4 to what? 2 times, and then you do what? And then you add. Okay, so this method is still the same as this one. Okay, we also have a 3 plus a 3 plus a 3 plus a 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the same as 4 times 3, which is equal to 12. Okay, it is still the same as what? Still the same as when you say 4 plus 4 3 times. Okay, plus 4 3 what? 3 times, and we add this. Okay, 4 plus 4, which is 8. What is 8 plus what? 8 plus 4, it is 12. So we shall be able to get the what? The same answers. Okay, as what? As a repeated addition. So it is very simple to get the multiplication of a number using a what? Using a repeated addition. Let's look at more examples. Add and multiply. So this is the formula that we are using. You add and do what? And multiply. For example, have our box here. It is arranged in what? In threes, but it is but they are placed 3 what? 3 times. So we shall say a 3, which is this one, plus a 3, which is this one, plus a 3, which is this one. We shall be able to say this is 3 times what? Times 3. 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3. So we shall be able to get the what? To get the answer. Okay, we shall be able to get the what? To get the answer. How? Which answer is here? When you say 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so here shall be able to get our what? Our 9. Hope everyone has understood. When you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Also have another box here, which is also arranged in what? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are arranged in what? In 5. But how many times are they here? We shall say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means if we can count and say 5 plus 5, which is 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, we get a what? We get a 20. Okay. There's also another one here. We've been given 1, 2, okay, but they're in 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 times what? 4 times 2, which is the same as 4 plus what? 4 plus 4. Okay, so here we shall be able to come up with our what? With our 8. Also have another one arranged in what? In 2s. But how many times are they? You have the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, 4. So that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 times. Okay, we shall be able to get the what? The answer. This is the 4. Okay, this is the same as 8. Okay, because of this is the same as what? The same as 8. Also move on to some other examples. We are saying repeated what? Repeated addition, a strategy for introducing multiplication. Okay, process of repeatedly adding the same numbers. Okay, so this is still the same thing we are trying to make you understand, that when I have a 2 plus a 2 plus a 2 plus a 2 plus a 2 is equal to 10. But how many times are we repeating this to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That means if you say 2 5 times or 2 times 5, okay, 2 times 5 is the same as 10. Very easy, and you can be able to get the what? The answer. Well, I've been given our tomatoes here, and they are arranged in this way, and they are arranged in 2s. Okay, so we have this set, there are 2, and this set there are 2, and this set there are 2, and this set there are 2. But how many times are they? have 1, have 2, have 3, have 4. Okay, so we can say 2 times what? Times 4. They are 2's for what? 4 times. Okay, so it's the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 8, which is they are arranged in 2's. Okay, here they are 2 times 4, which is the same as 8. So 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. Also have another example here that I have arranged these sets in what? In 3's. So this is a set, and this is also a set, this is also a set. But how many are they? How many times are they arranged? You have, this is one set, one time, this is the second time, this is the third time. So we can say there are 3 arranged in what? There are 3 times what? How many? Times 3. Okay, so it's the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 9. So 3 times 3 is the same as 9. We also have this example, they are arranged in what? In 4's. Okay, here we are trying to demonstrate and make you understand the other side up. And also this one, they are arranged in what? In 4. Okay, but how many times are they placed there? 1 time, second time, the third time. That means we are making how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3, which is the same as what? 12. Okay, also have these bananas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each set is having what? It's having 5. But how many times are they? Have 1, have 2, 3, 4. They are in 4. That means we can say 5 what? 5 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 4 times. That means 5 times 4. You can also arrange them, but 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, you can still get the same what? The same answer as someone who said 5 times 5. So this is a simpler way of how you can get, you can multiply numbers using a repeated addition, and you come with the same answer. Okay, so to make a recap of this, this gives you understanding of how you can multiply what? How you can multiply numbers, or how you can use a repeated addition to get the what? To get the answers. Okay, so for this time, I do say thank you very much. Please check out the playlist below for a recent what? For the recent lessons that you might have missed, and please subscribe in order to get upcoming lessons. God bless you so much.